Hello there, my friends. So if you have a Galaxy Note, this is a Note 9, but if you have any Galaxy, you're going to find a lot of this is very similar. I want to free up some space on my phone because I'm going to go shoot some video today. And so how do I know how much is on there in the first place? Well, go to settings. It's like one that looks like a gear. Press on settings, go down to, you're up here, go down to device care. Battery, storage, memory, because we're looking at storage, right? So storage is right here. So right now I'm using 98.5 gigabytes out of 120 gigabytes on my SD card. So what I'd like to do is free up some space. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to delete some pictures. So I'm going to go to gallery, which I have on my home screen, but if you go to your apps, you'll find it listed in alphabetical order before game launcher and after email, usually. Gallery. And then here's all the pictures that or the videos that I've stored. There's usually screenshots. You can see I do a lot of gaming videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the ones from today, but I'm going to go ahead and you could either individually press on either one of them, but that's arduous, right? So I could press on one and then just hit this trash icon here, and that'll delete it, say move to trash. And I can do that, but then I'd have to go through each and every one, and that's time consuming. So up here, these three dots, press the three dots, hit the button that says edit, and now you'll see these little circles will appear here. So now what I can do is I can press on individual videos, and the little checkbox where the circle is will be highlighted, and then I can hit delete and move to trash, and those will be gone. They'll be in the trash, right? Or even more powerful, I can press on the date. So I can hit edit and then see this circle next to the date. So I can delete all the videos from January 3rd, right? In one fell swoop. I can go delete, hit that, move to trash, and it moves 11 videos right to the trash, okay? Or I can, even more powerful, edit. I can hit yesterday, January 2nd, January 1st, although I don't see, and then here's what I want to do. There's a couple videos in here I still have some fragments of that I want to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uncheck those videos. So I deselect those videos, and now they will not be deleted. So the game videos I'll do, these where I was walking around the mall and I want to do a couple things about a couple of stores I saw. Okay, here also I want to delete all of them from New Year's Eve. Not that anything bad happened on New Year's Eve, but you know. And then December 29th. We'll go back, and that's good. I'm gonna do that for now. So all of these are highlighted. So now when I hit delete and move to trash, 78 videos get deleted. So instead of me going 78 times back and forth, I do that. All right, so now we're done, right? Well, no, we're not. So if we back out of that and go to our settings to see where we are as far as how much room that we've freed up, right? How much storage, go to device care, hits that storage. We're still at 98.5. And that's exactly where we were at the beginning. So that didn't help, right? Now we have one more step. So you go back to gallery, hit these three buttons again, go to trash, okay? Trash. Now all those videos that I deleted, they're in the trash. So this is a safety feature. So if there were one of these videos that I wanted to keep and I hit the trash, oh, whoa, you have one last chance to restore these videos if you want to do that. Right? That's what the trash is all about. Now, I don't want to do that, so I'm going to hit empty. See empty up here? Empty. Empty trash. Now, that's going to delete 94 videos. For real, okay? Once you do that, those videos are gone. They are part of history. You're not getting them back. So be aware of that. You're not getting those videos back. Okay, so now the trash is empty. Let's go back to our settings and see how much space we have now. So we go down to device care, right? Storage. you should be getting the hang of this now. Storage, 71.3 gigabytes used, and now we have all this extra space. So now I'm ready to go shoot a new video and load up my SD card again. If this was of any value at all, please smash the like button because that helps me. And yeah, have a great day. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Take care.